Introducing the Gessmann Remote Operator Station, an immersive solution which perfectly replicates cabin control. Many customizations are possible, including branding, bespoke Gessmann-made joysticks, and control devices. Electrically height-adjustable monitors and desktop allow operators to choose between standing or seated operation. Ergonomically adjustable control arms ensure comfort and reduce the risk of repetitive strain injury. Integrated cable management and spacious storage cabinets provide easy access for wiring. Experience the future of HMI solutions today. Gessmann, setting big things into motion.